yan, ma'am. Gumamela po. Rose. Scented rose. Lavender, citronella.
Magnifica, money maker. Maker. What's that? It's fruits or flowers or
Flowers. Or
lucky plant? It's for lucky for the business.
Yes.
Lucky for the business.
Yung pinakahalo sa off-lotion dito. Yung sa birds sa labas. Kasi ito mami mga mint dito. Baka may yung pinakamaganda sa amin spray pandito.
It's really good. Yeah. Anti-mosquito.
Ito naman yung pang-high blood. Lemon one. And for anti-mosquitoes, ma'am. Rosemary.